Welcome back to Inside Car Mix. Today, we're diving into a breathtaking marvel of automotive engineering and luxury, the SkyPalace Triple-Decker Luxury RV. This isn't just an RV, it's a full-on moving mansion designed for those who demand elegance, power, and innovation on the road. Whether you're an adventurer at heart or someone who simply wants to live life king-size while traveling, this triple-decker masterpiece is sure to blow your mind. From the outside, the SkyPalace commands attention with its futuristic aerodynamic body, a sleek blend of black, gold, and white finishes that reflect sophistication and motion even when standing still. The LED strip lighting all around the exterior brings it alive at night, turning it into a glowing palace on wheels. With 3 full levels towering above the ground, it's unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. The panoramic glass windows on all floors offer stunning views, whether you're cruising through mountains or parked beside the beach. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a 5-star hotel suite. The lower level is designed for functionality and travel comfort. It features a spacious cockpit with touchscreen controls, real wood finishes, leather upholstery, and noise-reducing insulation. Behind the driver's cabin, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances, a sleek dining area, and a bathroom that feels more like a spa. There's even space for a garage under the rear deck for storing a luxury car or motorbikes. The middle floor is dedicated entirely to relaxation and entertainment. With a plush lounge, widescreen smart TVs, a surround sound system, and a built-in fireplace, it's the perfect spot for family movie nights or entertaining guests. Mood lighting, velvet curtains, and handcrafted furniture elevate the ambience even more. This floor also includes a guest bedroom, a private study area, and full climate control for year-round comfort. Now the top level. That's where things really get magical. Designed as a sky lounge, this level offers 360-degree views through floor-to-ceiling glass. It features a rooftop bar, mini theater, private jacuzzi, and even a sunbathing deck with retractable awnings. It's luxury living at a level rarely seen in RVs or even some homes. Under the hood, the SkyPalace RV is just as impressive. Powered by a next-generation diesel-electric hybrid engine, it delivers smooth power with surprising fuel efficiency for a vehicle of its size. The suspension system is custom-designed for stability and comfort, and the Smart Drive mode adapts to terrain, whether you're on highways or countryside roads. The RV includes solar panel integration, lithium battery systems, and satellite connectivity to keep you powered and connected wherever you go. As for the price, the SkyPalace Triple-Decker Luxury RV is in a class of its own. Depending on customization, you're looking at a price tag ranging from $3 million to $5 million. It's not for everyone, but for those who crave the pinnacle of mobile luxury and exclusivity, it's worth every penny. If you're amazed by the SkyPalace like we are, don't forget to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Inside Car Mix for more incredible car and RV reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.